Hello guys, welcome to my car madness. In today's video we'll be installing the wind deflector. This is the Saab 93 with no wind deflectors on, got tinted windows, and done the lights a couple of weeks ago. Looks pretty decent. You can see the scratches. We were on holiday in France and someone decided to key the car, and this car's been in the family for a while, so don't really fancy getting rid of it. I'm just fixing bits and pieces. I have plans to have the eyelid for the headlight, but we'll see how that goes. And we'll start with putting the wind deflectors on. Alright, so I've removed the double-sided tape. A lot of people like to use the 3M double-sided tape, but we'll see how it goes. You have to put in this side first where the wing mirror is. There you go. As you can see, it was a little bit tricky. I didn't want to edit this out because this is the first time I'm doing it, and you just have to work with it. If you put the wing mirror side first and then start angle it in, put the rears in, and just bow the middle part, and it should be right just the way I've done it. I don't know if I was blocking the shot. Hopefully I was not. But yeah, that's the front one. It looks pretty rigid and solid, but I will still put the metal clip that they've supplied. I'll put the window up and see if it fits properly on there. Doesn't look too bad at all. Don't know if you can see because there's too much sun. There you go. I will do the rears now, and we'll see how that gets on with it. Just gonna quickly peel off all the double-sided tape and carry on with the video. Right, I'll move the camera a bit to this side. Hopefully we'll do a better angle. And there we go. There you go. I'm struggling to put these little clips on, but I'll leave it out now for now, and I'll see how it goes. But it's already changed the whole look of the car. Looks a little bit. I'll try and make another video later on when I'm not too much in the sun, because it seems like it's not going to be too clear. But here, I'll put the other side on and then I'll make a video before and after, or after I'll fit them on. There you go, guys. Wind deflector has been fitted. It didn't really take that long. I was messing about with it, and so obviously since it's the first time I'm doing this, I didn't want to break them, but they're very strong. Like I said, the front ones, you just have to bow them out a little bit when you've put the two sides, and they will clip on. And for the rear, it's very easy. You put the front and then put it at an angle, put the rear ones on, and that's it. That's job done. I haven't put the metal clip because I need to try to figure out how to do that, but I'll leave it out for this video, and we'll do a quick walk around. There you go. And I will put the window down as well so that you can see how it looks like with the window down. So this side is a much better angle. you go. Just with the window down a little bit. Makes a big difference. Thank you to Team Echo. Not sponsored by them, but hey, great job. Thank you very much guys for watching. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification if you haven't.